Hi there and welcome. My name is Alexa. I'm an admission counselor here at MICA, the Maryland Institute College of Art. Today we're going to help you navigate one of the most exciting parts of your application, your portfolio. Think of this as your creative handshake. It's how we get to know you as an artist, what you care about, how you see the world, and what you're exploring through your work. Whether you're just getting started or putting the final touches on your portfolio, we're here to help and share a few tips. So, what makes a strong portfolio? At MICA, we generally look for two things. The first is skill. That's your technique, your use of media, your craftsmanship. The second is concept. That's your ideas, your voice, and how you express them visually. Your portfolio should include 10 to 15 finished pieces that reflect both. These can be in any media: painting, photography, animation, sculpture, digital illustration, graphic design, sound, creative writing, or a combination. We want to see what you are passionate about. You don't need to tailor your portfolio to a specific major, especially if you're applying as a first-year student. Focus on you, your best, most recent work, ideally created within the last 2 years. Now, if you're applying as a transfer student, this part is a little different. We do expect to see work that reflects your intended major and that demonstrates what you've been creating at the college level. We love to see original ideas. That means less fan art or copies and more of the work that you've imagined, built, and brought to life. If a piece is from a class, show how you've made it your own. Finish your work. Really confidently finish it. We want to see pieces that are resolved, something you'd be proud to hang in a gallery or present to a client. And don't forget to curate. This means choosing work that feels cohesive. Does the body of work make sense together? That can be visually, stylistically, or thematically. Spread your work out and ask, what's the strongest and which pieces tell my story? Once you've created the work, it's time to photograph it. Photograph your work straight on, not at a dramatic angle. Your photo should be clear and well lit. You can use natural light or two light sources at a 45-degree angle. Crop to the edge of the work, leave out any distracting backgrounds, and don't add text or titles on top of your images. If you're working 3D, installation, or time-based media like animation or video, be sure to document the work in the context it's meant to be seen. If it's a garment, show us on a body. If it's a functional object, show it in action. We welcome all forms of media, including sound and writing, so feel free to include a range of work. Just remember, your final portfolio should include a total of 10 to 15 finished pieces that best represent your skill and your personal voice. Here's one of our biggest tips. Don't do this alone. Schedule a portfolio review with us virtually, on campus, or at a National Portfolio Day. It's a chance for you to get personalized feedback and strengthen your portfolio before you apply. Plus, it helps us get to know you better. And don't be afraid to ask more than one school. Different colleges value and look for different things, and seeing how your work is received in different spaces can be incredibly helpful. Building your portfolio should be a process of self-discovery, and it should be fun. Take risks, explore new ideas, try new things, and most importantly, be unapologetically you. We get excited about what you get excited about. So if you ever have questions or want more eyes on your work, MICA's admissions team is here to help. You can reach out anytime. Thank you for joining us, and happy making.